All right, on to the next coin from Grandpa's collection. I put my gloves back on. It says the Falkland Islands. All right. All right, some neat paperwork in there. 25 pounds. Looks like he's taped this case on. What? I'm not sure. Looks like the case is missing the bottom. I don't know anything about these coins, so you'd have to tell me. Or the case broke, maybe? No, it's in here. The bottom of it's in here, I guess. So it came off. Well, I'm glad I have gloves on. And there you go. So, 1985. Let's see what this stuff says. Don't know what that means. 10th anniversary. Huh. I thought that was a QR code. Not from that back then. I guess this is how it's shipped. British Falklands cost $95 in 1985. So, let's hope it's worth more now. But there you have it. Very cool.